How do you adjust the screen time on your iPad? Let's talk about that. But if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe, and therefore you're not going to miss anything important. So there are two ways you might be looking at the screen time settings, right? At first, we have the automatic lock feature. So this can be found inside of your settings app, of course. Then it is part of the display and brightness. And at the bottom, almost entirely, we have the auto lock feature. So this just means that after a period of inactivity, the iPad will lock itself, the screen will go black, and you get to pick the time for this, right? So the 2 minutes is the minimum. You can make it go to 15 minutes or even never. And this is obviously the setting you have in here. So that would be one way of looking at the screen time of your iPad. But outside of that, we have a dedicated screen time section inside of these settings as well. But this has or serves a little bit of a different purpose because this tracks your screen time usage, like the apps that you are using, and it just tracks how long you do this, how many times you have picked up your iPad, how many notifications you got, and you can also set up like time limits for those apps as well. So you can decide that, for example, social media app will be only used for 10 minutes per day. I mean, of course, just an example, right? So this is a completely different thing, but this is how you can also adjust the screen time on your iPad. So let me know below in the comments if there is still something else that you had in mind. I just want to cover every single possible scenario, right? So let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.